So question number 5 here states that you need to simplify this expression. What is the expression given? Cos theta by sine 90° minus theta plus cos 90° minus theta divided by sec 90° minus theta minus 3 tan squared 30°. Okay, this is what you need to simplify. Now cos theta we write as it is, which is there in the numerator. We write cos theta as it is. And you know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Plus cos 90 minus theta in the second fraction in the numerator. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. And sec 90 minus theta, you know sec changes to cosec. So you write this as cosec theta. Minus 3, write this as tan 30° whole square. Now see here, cos and cos they cancel. 1 plus. Now you have sine theta by cosec theta. So you change cosec theta to 1 by sine. Minus 3 tan 30 from the table standard values. You know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so you get 1 plus sine square theta minus 3, and 1 by root 3 whole square is simply 1 by 3. Okay, so here 3 and 3 will cancel. So you get 1 plus sine squared theta minus 1. So that plus 1 and minus 1 cancel here. So you get sine squared theta. And that is your simplified result. Okay. So this was an easy enough problem.
Yes, sir.
Moving on to number 6. Now in number 6, if you see, you have to show that cos square 45 plus theta plus cos square 45 minus theta divided by tan 60 plus theta tan 30 minus theta is equal to 1. Okay, now let's start from the left hand side. Okay, first of all, what you do is you in the numerator you write this as a whole square. Now you see that you have a product of two tans in the denominator. Okay, now in the denominator you change one of the tan to a cot. Okay, and see, very interesting thing happens. Either you change tan 60 plus theta to a cot, or you change tan 30 minus theta to a cot. Let us change tan 30 minus theta. See what happens. If I change this to cot, this will become 90° minus this angle, 30° minus theta. Okay, now comes the numerator once again. Now if you see, you have cos 45 plus theta whole square plus cos 45 minus theta whole square. You change either one of them to sine. Okay, let us change the second one, cos 45° minus theta. You can change this one also, no problem. Let us change the other one to sine. If you change this to sine, you will have 90° minus 45°. minus theta. Okay, you can give curly brackets here, and you can give box brackets here instead of the curly bracket. And in the denominator, you get tan 60 degree plus theta into cot. You get here, if you open the brackets, 90 degree minus theta minus 30 degree plus theta. Now see what happens. You get cos 45 degree plus theta whole square. And this one becomes sine 90 degree. If you open the brackets, 90 degree minus 45 degree plus theta. And the denominator, if you see, you're getting tan 60 degree plus theta. And also you're getting cot of the same angle, 60 degree plus theta. So now if you see in the numerator, you have cos 45 degree plus theta whole square. And you have here sine 90 minus 45 plus theta will give you simply 45 degree plus theta. So you see again the angles, this angle and this angle are the same. So after changing one of them in the numerator, after changing one of them to sine, I am getting the same angle for both. And in the denominator also, after changing one of them to cot, I am getting the same angle here. See 60 plus theta and 60 plus theta. So now what I do here is, in the denominator, I change the cot to tan. So I can write cot for 60 plus theta as 1 by tan 60 degree plus theta, which is equal to, now see here, this tan and this tan will cancel. So what am I left with? I'm left with, in the numerator only I'm left with cos square 45 degree plus theta. And here also I have a square. Here also I had a square. And here also there was a square. Okay. And in the numerator I'm left with plus sine square 45 degree plus theta divided by 1. Now what is cos square 45 degree plus theta plus sine square 45 degree plus theta? You know cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. Since these two angles are the same here, therefore you can consider this entire angle to be theta and this entire angle here to be theta. So cos square theta plus sine square theta will become 1, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS, proved. Okay, any question here?
Sir, can you explain the last step?
Which step?
So the last one.
You mean this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me do one more step then. If I say, if I consider this entire angle to be A, then this angle is also A. Let A is equal to 45 degree plus theta. Right? Therefore, what does this become? Left hand side becomes cos square A plus sine square A divided by 1. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it was the angle. Okay. So you have to see, the angles can be many, but what you have to see is whether the angles are equal. The angles could have been here in the form x plus y plus z also. Sine x plus y plus z. That is not the point what the angle is. The question is whether they are equal or not. So cos square x plus y plus z plus sine square x plus y plus z is also equal to 1. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll move on to the next one then. Okay, number 7. Question is, find the value of A if this is an equation. Okay, this is called a trigonometrical equation. Sec 2A is equal to cosec A minus 27 degree, where they have given 2A is an acute angle. Okay, 2A is an acute angle means 2A is less than 90 degree. That is what it means. And they are asking you find the measure of angle A. Now this is very interesting because this equation that you need to solve here for A, such equations are called trigonometrical equations. What is interesting here is that you have a sec on the left hand side and you have a cosec on the right hand side. Now you know that sec can be changed to cosec, or you can change cosec to sec, right? Now the question is, which one should you change? You can change any one of them, but you have to change one of them, so that if you change sec to cosec, both sides will have cosec. If you change cosec to sec, both sides will have sec, right? So what you the best way is, since we don't have anything added here to this angle 2A, it is best to change cosec to sec. You can change this to, I think I have done this way. Let me do the other way. I think in the solved one, if you see here, I have changed this cosec, I have changed to sec, right? Here, let me just do the other way. Let me change cosec to sec to cosec. So on the left hand side, you have sec. If I want to change this to cosec, I will write this as cosec 90 degree minus 2A. And I keep the other one as it is. Okay. Now on both sides, I have cosec. That means now I can write 90 degree minus 2A is equal to A minus 27 degree. That is what I can write. Now this is an equation, normal equation, simple equation, which you can solve. Again, I am warning you, do not cancel these two cosec. Okay. So you have, if you solve this equation, you can take A's on one side. Minus 2A minus A is equal to minus 27 minus 90. That means you get minus 3A is equal to minus 117 degree. That means A is minus 117 divided by minus 3. So now you can cancel this. The negative sign cancels. So you get A is equal to 39 degree, because this will cancel 39 times. So A is equal to 39 degree, and that's the required value. Is it clear, this problem? I have solved it in a different way here. You can have a look at this. Okay, so whichever is convenient for you, you can do that. Fine. Moving on to the next problem. Number 8. Find the value of theta if tan, again this is a trigonometrical equation, tan 35 degree cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to 1. You have to find out the value of theta. Okay. Now if you see on the right hand side, we have 1. Okay. Now what I have done here is that if you see in the solved one, what I have done is I have taken 1 by tan 35, right? And then I have converted this to cot. And then I have equated, because on both sides now I have cot. Now I can equate the angles, right? This is what I have done. You can do it the other way. Let's try it the other way also. That is, if I want to have cot on both sides, I can write this as, let's say if I want to have tan on both sides, I can write this as tan 35 degree is equal to 1 by cot 90 degree minus theta. You can write this way also. Means tan 35 degree. Now cot 90 minus theta is what? Tan theta. Right? And how much is 1 by tan theta? 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. Now what will I do? Now I have a tan on one side and I have cot on the other side. You know that tan can be changed to cot, right? So you either change tan 35 to cot, or you change cot theta to tan. Okay, better to change this to cot, right? So you get cot 55 degree is equal to cot theta. That means you get theta is equal to 55 degree. And that's the solution. Any question on this? No question. So how many problems? Still number of problems are left. Let's see. Number 9. If ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, interior angles of triangle ABC, what is the sum of interior angles of a triangle? It is equal to 180 degree, right? You have to show that tan C plus A is equal to cot B by 2. Okay, so we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so once we know A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, you see that on the left hand side, what do you have? You have C plus A. That means what can you write C plus A as? C plus A you can write as 180 degree minus B, right? You can write. Now we start from the left hand side. Left hand side is what? Tan C plus A by 2. And what is the value of C plus A we have got? 180 minus B. So you put it here. Which is equal to, now if you divide separately, you get 180 degree divided by 2 minus B divided by 2. 180 degree divided by 2 is 90. 90 degree minus B by 2. And how much is tan 90 degree? If you consider this angle to be theta, how much is tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. Cot B by 2, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So this was an easy problem. We'll move on to the next problem here. Miscellaneous problems. Now these problems have been picked up from some of the past years ICSE questions when this chapter used to be a part of your ICSE syllabus, class 10 syllabus. Okay, let us start with one of them. Without using trigonometric tables, evaluate. You need to evaluate cos square 26 degree plus cos 64 degree sine 26 degree plus tan 36 degree divided by cot 54 degree. Okay, now very interestingly, you see here cos square 26 degree, you write as it is, plus now you have a product of cos and sine. You know that cos can be changed to sine and sine can be changed to cos. What you also see is that the sum of these two angles is also 90 degree. That means you can either change you can change either cos to sine or sine to cos. But you see you already have a cos square. So we can change this one to sine and then we'll get a sine square. That is why we change this to sine. Sine 90 degree minus 64 degree. and this sine we write as it is, sine 26 degree. Plus, and here you have tan by cot. So you can change either one of them to, either you change tan to cot or you can change cot to tan. So let us change cot to tan. Tan 36 degree divided by cot you change to tan. 90 degree minus 54 degree. Okay. Is equal to cos square 26 degree plus sine, this is 26 degree, into sine 26 degree plus tan 36 degree divided by tan 90 minus 54 is also 36. So these will actually cancel. So what you get here is cos squared 26 degree, and sine 26 into sine 26 is also sine squared 26. And tan cancels to give you 1, which is equal to, now cos squared 26 plus sine squared 26 is 1, because cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. And that is your answer. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
One more and then we'll continue tomorrow. Number 2. Evaluate sec 17 degree divided by cosec 73 degree plus tan 68 degree by cot 22 degree plus cos square 44 degree plus cos square 46 degree. Now, very interestingly, you see sec by cosec. Sec, can be changed to cosec. And what you also see is that the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So you can change either one of them to sec or cosec. So we keep the numerator as it is. We change cosec to sec. Sec 90 degree minus 73 degree. Plus, again, you see tan by cot. You know that tan can be changed to cot. And what you see is 68 plus 22 also adds up to 90 degree. So numerator we keep as it is. And the denominator cot, we change this to tan. Plus, now you see you have a cos square 44 plus cos square 46. Now I am no longer writing this as a whole square. Now I am sure you have enough practice of writing this as a whole square. So what I do here is you can change either this one to sine or this one to sine, because you see that the angles add up to 90 degree, these two. Okay, so let's change the first one to sine. So cos square can be written as sine square 90 degree minus 44 degree. And this one you write as it is, cos square 46 degree. So what do you get here is sec 17 degree divided by sec 17 degree plus tan 68 degree divided by tan 68 degree plus sine square 46 degree plus cos square 46 degree. This sine square 46 plus cos square 46 is 1. Sec 17 cos sec 17 cancel here to give you 1, plus these two also cancel to give you 1, and the value of this is 1. So this gives you 3, and that is your answer. Is this clear? Or any question you have?
No, sir, no question.
Then I'll stop here.